My name's Kevin Adams. I'm a criminal defense attorney. In almost 20 years of practice in law, I can tell you that oftentimes having a good private investigator on your case can do more benefit than having a good lawyer. Now, this may surprise a lot of people why I would say something like that, especially since I'm a lawyer. But the reason I say this is that oftentimes the police will land on a suspect and quite literally build the case around the suspect, ignoring all evidence to the contrary that the suspect may be innocent. If the police collect mitigating or favorable evidence, they're required by law to turn that over to the defense. So oftentimes when the police are doing their investigation, they don't collect anything that doesn't support the conclusion that they've already made. It's not a search for the truth, it's a quest for conviction. And that's why I'm telling you, you can have the best lawyer in the world, and if the lawyer doesn't have the evidence that they need to win your case, you're not going to win. So a good lawyer will go out, recognize the need to have a private investigator, and go out and get a private investigator. But you got to get the right one. And you got to get a good private investigator. You need somebody that's got law enforcement experience, okay? You need somebody that understands how the police work from the inside. You need to know have somebody that knows where it is that they can look. And so it's a vital part of a defense team is to have access to a private investigator. And I'm not saying this in every case, but if it's a serious case, if it's a case that's likely to go to trial, or a case that you're hoping to avoid trial by getting evidence to persuade the district attorney to offer a good plea deal or to dismiss the case, a good private investigator can be invaluable. If you're looking for a private investigator locally, and when I say locally, I mean here in Oklahoma, okay, I recommend Black Line Investigations and Jesse Brewer. You can find him on the internet, and there's also a link to him on my website, or if you can't find it, contact me. I'll be glad to give you his information.